Nick Dogan, North State Law, where you safeguard your professional license so you can get back to business. What is a voluntary settlement agreement for a licensed insurance agent in North Carolina? That's going to be the question for today. Voluntary settlement agreement is also known as a VSA. These are typically offered at some point from North Carolina Department of Insurance. And essentially what it is what it sounds like. It is a settlement agreement that both sides voluntarily enter into. It's very similar to a consent order. Difference being is it's a little bit less formal per se. There's usually a lot less what are called findings of fact in there. There are going to be some findings of fact, so it's almost exactly the same, to be quite frank with you. One of the main things that is going to be in the negative for a voluntary settlement agreement is the fact that it is uploaded to the National Insurance Producers Data Bank, essentially. It's going to be that type of VSA is going to be essentially sent out to, I think they call it the NIPR warehouse. It's like an online database essentially. And anybody that has access to that system is going to be able to see that voluntary settlement agreement. So it's very important to make sure that whatever is in the VSA, say you do come to an agreement, say, all right, these things were done wrong. I agree. I should have done better. Here's what I did to correct it. You're able to get something worked out, that the findings of fact in the VSA are not going to be damaging going forward. And look, like, nobody wants to have that happen. I completely understand where somebody would be coming from. But if it's a situation where something can get resolved and keep the damage to a minimum, and also maybe lower a fine, because there are fines typically associated with those as well, but we keep the fine down, keep the findings of fact down to either a bare minimum or have them in place to where it doesn't look, as bad to the public as it could seem. Because I've seen some that have been proposed and it's like, that's not what happened. So you have to do some damage control as far as that's concerned as well. So that's pretty much the long and short of it on a voluntary settlement agreement with the North Carolina Department of Insurance and what that looks like for licensed insurance agents and brokers in the great state of North Carolina. If you got any follow-up questions or any concerns or anything along those lines, either about this particular topic or a different topic related to professional license defense, feel free to text or call my office. It's 919-521-8810, and we'll get you set up with a free 15-minute discovery call with a member of my staff. Also check out the other blogs on my website. Those are northstatelawfirm.com, and the other videos on my YouTube channel. That's North State Law's YouTube channel. So hope everybody has a fantastic day and keep taking care of North Carolina. Have a good one. Bye-bye.